If you have lemon and milk, make this dessert. Soak the ladyfingers in milk and place them in an even layer in the baking dish. Separate the egg whites from the yolks. Put the yolks in a saucepan. Add sugar and mix a little with the whisk. Add cornstarch. Mix again. Pour milk into the saucepan placed on the heat. Cut the zest from one lemon and add it to the milk. Boil the milk. Pour a little milk into the cream and mix with the whisk. Add all the milk. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Squeeze the juice from the lemon. Pour the lemon juice into the cream and mix well. Pour the cream over the ladyfingers and put the baking dish in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Take honey and grated dark chocolate. Dip the rim of the glass in honey, then in scraped dark chocolate. Put the ice cubes in the blender. Add ice cream. Pour water into the chesve. Add ground coffee. Boil the coffee as usual. Pour coffee into the blender. Add milk. Blend with the blender until smooth. Fill the glass. Decorate with whipped cream, then with chocolate sauce. Sprinkle with chocolate. Sprinkle the cake with coconut flakes, a dessert to everyone's liking.